Hey guys, so as you can see from the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I go from black roots to these platinum white roots in one sit-in. So if you would like to see how I do that, then just keep on watching. I'm going to be dyeing my roots. It just hit the 30-day mark, so it's definitely time to take care of these roots before they get any longer. So I just got back from Sally's and I'm about to show you guys everything I got. I picked up some bleach. This is the Ion Bright White Cream Lightener Bleach. And I know a lot of people use powder bleach, but I just heard that cream bleach is a lot less drying and also it is so much easier to clean up. The second thing I picked up from Ion was 30 Volume Developer. And this is the sensitive scalp because honestly, bleaching your hair burns, and with these two I don't feel anything. Alright, so the third thing I picked up was the Ion Absolute Perfection Booster Step 1. And these, I've been using them about 3 times now. I can't tell you if they work, but my hair does feel very good after I bleach it, so I guess it does work. And I just feel a lot safer putting this in there. I'm gonna go in with petroleum jelly. And you guys should know this. I'm just gonna put it around my head so that my skin doesn't get burned or that I don't get like irritated and my skin starts itching. Alright guys, so I put a back mirror over here. I know that it's not the best view, but it's just what I'm working with right now. I just wanted you guys to at least be able to see what was going on in the back, and also so that I could see what was going on in the back. Alright, it's time to start mixing it up. So this is the second time I use this bleach and I really like it. It lifts your hair so much. It says it lifts to 8 levels and I definitely believe that. Alright, so this says that it's a 1-to-1 ratio or 1-to-2 ratio. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a 1-to-1 ratio, and I'm just opening this up right now. The reason I use the 30 Developer is because I use the little booster things, and with these it says to go up a level. So if I was to use 20, which I did, you have to go in with 30. And 30 is the farthest I would go. I would never suggest someone to use 40. That's like absolutely crazy. Alright, so it's time to put on the gloves. So I've been blonde for almost 2 years now, and this is only the second time I've done my hair on my own. My hairstylist used to always do them. So the last year I've just been going in for root touch-ups, and that's like crazy. Like seriously, I like to have no roots. Like even this right now is a lot, and it's been exactly like 31 days. Realistically speaking, it's like impossible to get to the hair salon every single month on time. I would honestly get there around a month and a half, 2 months, and I would just kind of be stuck there for like a month, like with my roots grown out, and it's horrible because I don't like them to show at all. Like I hate the color contrast. So I'm doing a 1-to-1 ratio. What I do is I fill this up and then smooth it out, and then I fill it up with a 30 Developer after. I want a lot of products so that I don't have to, while I'm halfway doing my hair, go back and have to mix up the products again. Honestly, I'm like super happy I'm filming this right now because you guys loved my how I tone my hair video. Alright, so now that I have this mixed up a little, I'm going to go in with one of the Absolute Perfectors. I'm going to pop that open and I'm just going to pour that in. And these are like $2-3, so it's just worth it. I feel so much safer using it because the good thing about going to the salon is that when you leave, your hair feels like you didn't do anything to it. It feels absolutely perfect. So when I put this on, I feel like it's this that makes my hair feel soft. So I'm liking this consistency. It's like super thick. You want your consistency to be thick because you don't want it like running to the other hair because it could just break off and fall. So I do have one more of these, so I'm going to put that in right now. Let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go right down the middle. And let me check what time is it. Alright, it is, it's funny, we're starting at 7:03. So I'm going to go all the way down the middle. And I'm gonna make this pretty thick. Alright, so now that I did the line vertically, I'm just gonna go horizontally. Alright, so right now I'm just gonna take like my baby hairs out of the way and do the front part of my head and kind of pull it back so you can see exactly where it is, because you don't want to get the rest of your hair. I'm gonna pull these baby hairs down. That was a lot of baby hairs, but it's okay. So now that I have done the T, I'm just making sure I got everything. I'm gonna go in with the front. I'm not gonna do the whole front yet, but I'm just going to pick out this piece and get like a couple of the pieces that are in the front, just because I know that the front is going to be shown to everybody, so I want to make sure that these get as long as possible. Alright, so I'm going to pull this back and I'm just going to clip it up. I did get some bleach on my hair, which is not good. I hate getting bleach on the rest of my hair. Alright, so now I'm going to do the same to this piece. I'm going to unroll it and my hair is already turning light. The place where I did the 2 lines going up and across, it is already like a light brown. I'll show you guys. Alright, so my camera did stop recording, but I realized really quickly, so I don't think you guys missed anything. I'm gonna bring this back. And my little space buns. I'm gonna be looking crazy throughout this whole video, so I'm gonna be surprised if it actually gets posted. Alright, so now I'm gonna start with the 2 bottom pieces. So I start with the bottom pieces first just because that side takes me the longest to do, because I can't really see and I don't really have anybody helping me. Alright, so I go from the back and I kind of just go diagonally up. And then what I do is just pull it all the way up. And from there I can see what's going on and I can just... Alright, so as I go, I just brush it down. I just brush the hair to make sure everything is flat and neat. So I've seen a couple people's videos on YouTube. I know when I first learned how to do this, I used to watch a lot of those type of videos. And I guess this lightener is just like really good, because I used to see girls say like, All right, well, it's like an orangey blonde, so I'm gonna bleach it one more time and hopefully we'll get to the desired color. And literally it would make me cringe because that's like crazy. Bleaching your hair like 3 to 4 times is like honestly insane. That I would never recommend. Like, I don't even think you have to be a hairstylist to know that. Like, you should definitely not be putting bleach on your hair more than once. You guys will see that I'm just going to bleach my hair one time and it will be that perfect color. And that's exactly why maintaining your hair is so important. And I do it every single 30 days. Like, it's literally only been like 31 days. Because if you don't, so the hair closest to the scalp gets really, really blonde. And that's why it's so important to maintain your hair so that you can get it blonde in one go. I know a lot of people say like, oh, you can't get it blonde in one go. But you definitely can if you maintain your hair. That's the most important part, because once you let it grow out enough to where it's not just a little tiny mark, you need more than one processing. And that's where the damaging really starts. All right, I'm gonna make sure that these pieces right here turn blonde. All right, so now moving on to this little piece right here. And I'm just gonna comb this out first. So update, it is 7:21, not that bad. I'm moving at a pretty good rate. I'm actually moving at a really good rate now. Pull this back just to see that, just so I could see the black. And you can see right here that I have some yellow right here. And that's banding because it took me a long time to go and get my hair done. And that's how I learned to not let it go past 1 month. So you want to make sure you grab like really, really, really small sections. I just like to make sure I get it on top and then flip it over. Brush that. Almost done with the back. And now I'm just going to pin that up. All right, 2 sections down. Let's see what time it is. It is 7:28. Everything is nice and soft. This process is a long process. I hope you guys don't think this is gonna be a short video. This is gonna be a long video. This is an art because I cannot see what's going on. So this is definitely an art. I'm just going to pin that up. And I still haven't done the hairline. So I'm gonna start now on this side. I think this might be a little bit easier. Alright, so the time right now is 7:52. So it has taken me basically an hour just to apply everything. And this is the last piece. And now I'm gonna do my hairline. Alright guys, so my camera did just die, but I just finished putting it on my hairline. And right now I'm just gonna apply a disposable cap. And usually I would just go outside and let the sun do its thing, but it's pretty dark right now, so I'm just gonna wait it out. Are you guys ready? Platinum. Alright guys, so look at these roots. This is just one of processing. So just so you can see my hair in different lighting, so you know I'm not lying. I'm gonna be applying that It's a 10 Miracle Hair Mask for probably like 15 minutes. And no guys, I did not tone and not show you guys. This is honestly what happened after I bleached my hair. You guys probably can't even believe this right now. Yes, coming from a blonde, you don't need toner. I'm gonna flat iron it and then I'll be back. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. This is how my hair came out. It came out to a super blonde platinum color. I really love how it came out. That bleach, guys, is amazing. You guys need to get your hands on it if you want to go platinum. I wanted to show you guys my hair after I straightened it so you guys could see the natural color of it. I put it back into this little top knot because I just thought it looked so cute when it was curly. And my hair still feels super smooth and everything, so I want to say that was the Perfection Booster drops. But literally, I look like I just came back from the salon. Look at these roots.